It took me a while to find my car. Oh my God. So it wasn't so bad. I don't know what time it is. I think I spent maybe 45 minutes in there. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. I got a piece of pizza and the smoothie. They got some really cool stuff in there since the last time I was there. Looks like I have black eye. I'm gonna put the Shape Tape under my eye. Yeah, I am going to go get a money order for my HOA. I do not like giving them a check because it kind of messes up my bank account. Because sometimes they take a month to cash it. But here is the famous Costco smoothie. And let me tell you, it's worth every dime. It's like the treat I give myself. And I got a piece of pizza because I have not had really dinner last night or breakfast this morning. So this is their pepperoni pizza. I'm sure it's like 700 calories. But Costco got a lot of stuff in since the last time I was there. But I got this cookie thing because I got this feeling, the way my life goes, that for the first time in my life I may not be able to cook because I am pulled many directions. So let's have this will be my Costco mukbang. I do have a full tank of gas, thank God. It's already cold. So during the holidays, I ask people to move. I say, excuse me, and they don't. It's like they don't even hear you. It's so good. I am tired of pizza, but I didn't want to get a hot dog. It was only $1.50 at Costco. The skies are very gray. Yeah, Costco carries Pepsi products. I guess Coke didn't bid good enough with Costco. They should have. Look, I can't even get this. Whatever. I forgot to get napkins. This is a huge piece of pizza. Let's see if I have a napkin. I don't think so. I'll just bite from this side. Now, leaving this parking lot is going to be the challenge. I'm going to go behind the building and come out on Bragg Road because there's a light. If you go out any other way, you're asking for it. So we got a name drawn. We had a Secret Santa. So I drawed my own name. I should have just shut my mouth. But I drawed it again, and it was another young lady who likes to hunt. Yeah. She has a hunting truck, believe it or not. I think she's in her 20s. I do think every employee that's employed by Costco was at work today. I could bet money on that. There was this man sitting in a cage and the cigarettes. Oh, by the way, those cookies I showed you were $17.99. And they're good till December 18th. Seems like they should be good, I guess, because they're homemade. Don't tell me I got to eat them all. I'm not going to eat them all. I bet you I could freeze them. Yeah, I could freeze them. So, my girlfriend always told me to cover my purse if I leave it in the car. For sure. So, I will say goodbye. Oh my God, these Costco cookies, I think, were baked yesterday. This is like the wedding butter ball with pecans, and they are so fresh. They're actually better than mine. I think I cooked mine too long. A student driver just almost ran me over. You got to go very, very slow out of these parking lots. So, I have learned, even if you have to drive an extra half a mile to get out of an exit that's got the light, it is less dangerous. It's much less dangerous. So, got to yield right here. Whoa. Well, these cookies are sugar cookies with green sugar sparkles, and they taste like they got lemon in them, a little bit of lemon extract. It's very refreshing. So I kind of decided that because I'm already old and I've moved so many times because of my divorce, that I don't know if I can move again. I think I'm just going to have to enjoy where I'm at. It's a little easier now that I'm not being flooded 10 times in 2 years. It was a nightmare to go to sleep sometimes, wake up, and your house be destroyed. Now, what I mean by destroyed, I am not exaggerating. My walls, 3/4 of my unit was cut down to the studs. I had to move out. It was that bad. Yeah. I still have not signed the release from the insurance company because I have no idea if I see damage in the future somewhere else. Yeah, the ceilings were torn out. The walls were torn out. Oh. I had to move in to a friend's house who said he was going to marry me every day, 100 times a day. It's called future faking, people. Yeah. I think I had more to offer him than he did me. And, you know, that's sad. But I know so many people who have devoted their whole life to drugs. And let me tell you what, they have nothing to show for it. Nothing. Yeah. But he's a completely changed person, but he still has some of those old traits that are really hard. You know, a lot of people think when your family gets sober or a friend or lover gets sober that everything's going to be hunky-dory. It isn't, because if they've been using for 40 years, it's a little hard to get rid of all those old habits, those anger habits, the use and abuse, the intermittent explosive disorder. Oh,